I'm not really sure where my love of chocolate came from, but I'd definitely say that I'm a chocoholic, or maybe I just prefer a dessert that is decadently chocolatey. And I do like to be stocked up in the fridge. Though since arriving in Mexico, it has been proving hard to find cooking chocolate, let alone a vegan one. Thankfully for now, I have the ingredients to make my own. It did get me thinking though about how in the past I was known to divulge a whole block of peppermint chocolate in one sitting. Not just on a special occasion, but pretty much nightly. I'm actually kind of disgusted to admit that. What I did realize back then is that I did in fact have an addiction, and I started to look at why I couldn't live without chocolate. I was first told it could be a lack of magnesium, so I started taking supplements, which I believe did help a little, but really that could have been me thinking that they did. Fact is, I still ate chocolate and after a while returned to my naughty nightly dose of it. It was then that I noticed I'd gained a lot of weight, and we're talking in excess of 30 kilos. That was when I realized enough was enough. Boundlessly attempting to stop myself from eating chocolate, I got myself on a weight loss program and went vegetarian. The weight loss program was great. It got me psychologically thinking about why I was over consuming and what I was actually consuming and the reasons behind that. So on many levels, it was the start of my healing journey. In 9 months, I lost 33 kilos and at age 45 was the fittest and healthiest I'd ever been in my life. I didn't realize it until a few years later when I turned vegan that actually my chocolate obsession was far more of an addiction to sugar. Throughout my journey, I'd come to realize processed sugar was no longer in my diet. I'd even given up coffee and alcohol, 2 of my other regular inhibitors. Strangely enough though, I'd not even noticed or made a big deal about it. Trust me though, now if I have anything by accident that has sugar in it, my body certainly does know, and it affects me like a rush or a high, which is not in a nice way. It's got me thinking about the truth behind sugar though, and the cause of so many diseases. And by far it is an addiction that is hard to break. But it is doable, and by replacing processed sugar was all I needed to do. I just have more energy and my weight is finally healthy and I'm able to maintain it. And actually in the Ayurvedic terms, we should have all 6 tastes. In those tastes is sweet. So I still feel that I need sweetness in my life, but I definitely have moved away from processed sugar and will never ever go back, despite always having a chocolatey treat in my fridge.